So I believe the Speck logo right here goes at the top of it, so that way we can know which part to put on where. Hey Warenoticers, Shane here, and welcome to another video on the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel. If you're new here, definitely take a moment to consider subscribing so you don't miss out on all my other awesome technology videos about things like smartphones, smartwatches, computers, tablets, tech accessories, cases, and really just so much more. But anyway, folks, in this video, we're going to be unboxing this case right here, the Speck SmartShell case for none other than my beautiful 16-inch M1 Pro 2021 MacBook Pro right here. So now, before we start getting this case out of the box, I do have to give a huge thank you to Speck for sending this case out to me for free in order to make this video about it. So thank you very much, Speck. And anyway, without further ado, let's start getting this case out of the box. Here we go. So folks, here we are up close and personal with this box. As you can see, it says Speck SmartShell, and once again for the 16-inch MacBook Pro 2021 model. Once again, I have the M1 Pro version of this computer, but you could also get it with the M1 Max chip. Still, the case will work just fine. Over here, we got a big cutout so we can actually see and touch the case itself. And over here, it says protects against scratches and bumps, slim and lightweight, and also no slip rubberized feet. All sounds pretty nice. Over here in the back, we have a picture of the case sort of like floating onto the MacBook Pro right here. And once again, you can tell this is the new MacBook Pro because it's got that awesome MagSafe charger right there. And also, if you want to clarify that you got it for the right MacBook Pro, is this your MacBook model? Yes, it is for me, but it's also got some other models right here that this is not compatible with. So just so you guys know, this is for my specific computer. Anyway, without further ado, let's just open up this box. So we can go right ahead and peel this little sticker right here so then we can open up the box itself. So let's go ahead and do that, and we can pull the case out nice and easy right here. And now look, the box is all empty. We can put this to the side and let's look at the case. We can pop the top off right here. It's got a translucent gray look to it. We got a Speck logo right here, and inside of the case we've got this sort of filler right here because obviously a laptop goes inside. So now over here on the bottom part of the case, you can see we've got cutouts for the vents on the bottom of the laptop. We got some additional rubberized feet right here. We've got sort of cutouts over here for the ports and chargers as well on the sides. And yeah, as you can see, we've also got a big Speck logo right here. So you know what, let's just start putting this case on my beautiful MacBook Pro right here. So we can just go ahead and plop it in nice and easy right here. Got to be very gentle, don't want to hurt this beautiful laptop right here. I am totally in love with this computer, by the way. Definitely my favorite Apple product that I've ever had, and also most expensive, so I'm very, very gentle with it. So I believe the Speck logo right here goes at the top of it, so that way we can know which part to put on where. And let's go ahead and squeeze this on nice and gentle, nice and gentle. And here we go over here on this part as well. And then voila, folks, just like that, it is all nice and on my MacBook Pro right here. So now, first impressions, this case definitely feels nice in the hand. It's got a bit of a slippery feel to it, but I think it feels good. It also seems pretty resistant to fingerprints, which I like because a lot of laptop cases these days, I feel like they attract fingerprints, and it looks like, at least based on my first impressions right here, it is not attracting them, so that is pretty good. And I will say, when you go ahead and shut the laptop and hold it in your hand, the laptop does feel a bit bigger, and after all, it is already a pretty thick laptop without a case on. But I will say the case itself does feel pretty slim for a case for such a huge computer. And I mean, yeah, folks, with that, there's not really much more to say about this Speck hardshell case for the 2021 16-inch M1 Pro or M1 Max MacBook Pro right here. If you guys want this case for yourself, it'll set you back about $50, which, I mean, compared to the price of this computer, isn't really that much, relatively speaking. Definitely let me know down in the comments what you guys think of this case. Do you have it for yourselves? Do you love it? Do you hate it? Definitely let me know, because I do read all the comments, by the way. And if you enjoyed this video, definitely be sure to smash the subscribe button and subscribe to the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel for more awesome technology videos just like this one. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you so much for subscribing. Bye.